Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Mariam Habiliana, 35 years old. I live in Barangay Lantad, Silay City. I'm a Baptist. I don't have a kids, but I have a live-in partner. I study 2 years of computer programming and 6 months caregiver. I have a work experience in Singapore as a domestic helper. My first employer, I can work on my first employer is a Chinese for adults. My daily routine is I can work household works. I can do washing, cleaning, cooking, and marketing, shopping, and ironing. And she have a one car, so sometimes I do car wash. But my first employer, I did not finish on my contract because she have a bypass operation. I can work here from 1 year and 5 months. After he released me, I can change my new employer. My second employer is a Filipino Chinese. My Filipino Chinese is a 2 adults only. One disabled, her mother, and then my boss is working in Singapore. After that, my second employer, I did not finish because she relocated in Philippines. Then after that, she have a private nurse and doctor. So I live here. After I go back in Philippines together, relocation. So I go back on my family. Thank you, mom, for I hope you can choose me as your helper. I'm a honest person, trustworthy, and hardworking. I hope I can find you and I can work with your family as my own. I treat you and love as my own family, and I can do as what I want as long as I stay on your family. I stay. Thank you and God bless. Thank you, mom.